Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna. If you already know, I'm back. So I posted on my Instagram if I should start doing YouTube again, since I did YouTube in sophomore year, but then I deleted my channel and all my videos were gone. So then I posted something on Instagram if I should start doing YouTube again. So some of my friends said yes. So today I started filming again about makeup, but actually I feel like I'm not only gonna do makeup, I'm gonna do like vlogs and guitar covers and me singing. So yeah, so in today's video I'm gonna be doing this look. So if you guys want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. So for the next, well, I'm gonna use this other foundation, just from Wet n Wild foundation. I've been having this for a long time. I've stopped like wearing makeup because I want to like take a break from it, but I'm only doing this for the video, so I'm breaking out. And it sucks. Now for the concealer, I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Apparently this is only $5, and this is due for the Shape Tape one because it has like a really thick brush or whatever, and this is like full coverage. So I'm just gonna do that and put some on my eyelids. But now I'm just gonna bake my face. Just gonna contour my face using this contour kit. Like, I don't know how long I've been having this contour kit, but I've already hit pan on this one. So I'm just gonna like So next, I'm gonna do my blush. I still have this blush, and I've been using it since sophomore year. Oh my gosh, I need to like buy new makeup. I'm so fucking nasty. Just gonna like put highlighter on. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Fergie highlighter. It's like a nice highlighter. So freaking much. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using this Peach BYS eyeshadow palette. I recently got this one too, so it looks like this. It looks freaking new. You can see that. I honestly don't know what look I'm gonna go for, so bear with me. Shade, the Lavish shade thingy. Oh. And I'm just gonna like do that. Honestly, bear with me. I'm really sorry because I really forgot how to do makeup. Like doing makeup in front of a camera. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna like add this thing. I don't know how to read it because I'm Asian. I mean, like, Asians are supposed to be smart, right? But then like I'm Filipino, and I feel like, I'm not saying like all Filipinos are dumb, but I feel like I'm the only Filipino that is dumb. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Pro Line eyeliner. I recently got this one too. I'm gonna do this off camera because I cannot focus in front of the camera when I do my eyeliner, so I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
I'm done doing my eyeliner. I messed up once and I kind of feel like it's still messed up, like it's not even. At this point, I feel like not caring, so yeah. And I already curled my eyelashes and I'm just gonna do like my, you know, my mascara. I use this Scandalize mascara from Rimmel. So as I was editing, I didn't really mention where I got that mascara from. I actually stole that mascara from my mom and she haven't found out. If she's watching this, I'm sorry, Mom, but it is what it is. So yeah. Okay, lastly for my lips, I'm gonna use this BLK lipstick. This is from the Philippines too. I think this is a Korean brand. I got it from Christmas in the Philippines. So I'm just gonna use this. But my hair is kind of like looking crazy, but that's for the video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys still want me to do like makeup stuff or do like different kind of videos. Just let me know and I will do it. I can't promise that I would post like a lot because I'm a lazy person. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much and please subscribe. So yeah.